A Brisbane hostel taped up and surrounded by police. Another community case who's been staying at this Roma Street backpackers.
It's deemed that he has been infectious in the community since the 22nd of July.
The West Australian man returned from the Philippines, completed hotel quarantine, then became sick. It's not clear where he caught the virus, but the Chief Health Officer is unhappy with the hotel quarantine system.
This is clearly insufficient protection, our current hotel arrangements. We need to modify those.
The state's other cases are crew members of a bulk carrier, the Sanyu, which was heading to the Torres Strait. With sick people on board, nurses were called in to run tests. 19 of the 21 crew came back COVID positive. The vessel has been redirected to Weipa and some crew are being flown to Brisbane. The virus has broken into the community 13 times in 6 weeks, and the Chief Health Officer believes the risk is escalating. Masks need to be worn in southeast Queensland until at least Friday, but that could be extended.
We need to wear masks. We know they're a mitigating factor.
The NRL has questions to answer, with West's Tigers star James Roberts fined $7,500 and banned for 1 game after breaching quarantine rules. Dr Young last week said she'd kick them out if they flouted rules again.
I wrote to the NRL last night. I'm waiting for a response as to what actually occurred.
Meanwhile, the flight attendant and her male friend, who were fined after allegedly breaching border rules, have been identified. Police say Mel Waterhouse illegally brought Sydney tradesman George Thompson over the border. Officers used security camera footage to identify him.
It's very disappointing, the behaviour we've seen in that. It's shown no regard for our community, so we took enforcement action.
Both were COVID positive with the highly infectious Delta strain.
Nearly $10,000 worth of fines sends a pretty clear message, not only to that person, to everyone else in the community, how serious this is. It deals with it immediately, so we can take action straight away, not get tied up in court actions, which may take months.
Emily Gramens, ABC News.